Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, December 7th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Our announcement for today. Next week is our last week of the quarter to meet your AR goal. Teachers, be sure to monitor that your students are taking tests before returning their books. Also, make sure if they have an easy reader book that they read it several times before testing. We have a lot of students that have met their AR goal but don't have the 85% average that they need. Read and reread before testing, not rush through just to take the test. Today's late duty is Miss Moore. Tomorrow we have Bertolino, and Friday we have Miss Zemlick. Today for breakfast, we have beef steak, fruit choice, juice choice. For lunch, we have pizza, corn, Rice Krispie treat, fruit, and juice. Today's weather, we have a high of 79, a low of 62, mostly sunny, and a low chance of rain. Important dates. December 7th, today is our Stuff the Bus deadline. And for students that brought a toy, on Friday, they'll wear their holiday shirt and jeans. December 13th is Winter Wonderland. December 15th, class Christmas parties. December 16th, last day of second quarter. December 19th through second Christmas break. Birthdays. Today's birthday is Justin Douglas. Happy birthday, Justin. AR Superstars, these students have met their quarterly goal. For Arch's class, Paris Calhoun and Jahaven Hill. Also, and Miss Arch has over half her class that have met their goal. Way to go! Let's see if we can get that to 100%. Arch's class, that's a great challenge. Miss Barnes, Kamora Lynch, Miss Curd, Amani Lett, Adeline Martin, Gardner, Lauren Barrett, Hamlin, Alita Lee, Kinley North, and Miss Hatcher, Ryan Rodriguez. Miss Tompkins and Troy Goff, Lucas O'Brook, Tommy Ingram, Mason Robinson. Miss Hogan's class, Autumn Bettis Ford, Adonis Johnson, Ari Knight. Miss Moore's class, Farhan Muthana. Miss Shepard's class, Dagan Dickey. And Miss Sunstall, Jamison Pugh. Way to go, super readers! Today also is the last day of our toy drive, so make sure if you have toy in your backpack or something that your parents sent to get it to the library first thing. Also, we are still taking questions for our question of the day, and my research team is working on those diligently when we meet. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.